How to install presets or plugins in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey guys, it's Lucy back with another video. So let's get started. So first you need to open one of your projects in Adobe Premiere Pro. After that, search for the panel called Effects. So you either right click on it or you click on the icon next to it. After that, a box appears. You need to search for the option called Import Presets. You click on that and a dialog box appears. So here you need to go to the location of the presets, and after you're done finding the preset, you need to click on it. So looks like the presets has already been imported. You can either search it in the presets option or you can also search it in the search bar. In the search bar, type in the name of the preset and it will show you the presets below it. And that's it for installing presets in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe for more, and comment if you have any queries. Meet you guys in the next video.